Go fried without the guilt with the new Gourmia Digital Air Fryer GAF476. At Gourmia, we believe meals should be easy, healthy, and delicious. And now you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the extra fat. Our FRYFORCE 360 technology circulates heat from every direction, giving your food that authentic fried crispiness with up to 80% less fat. And with our express heat system, you can cook up to 30% faster than standard ovens. It's easy to use with 12 one-touch cooking functions, allowing you to bake, roast, broil, and more with just a tap. The angled touch interface gives you full control of all settings, making adjusting time and temperature intuitive and straightforward. Guided cooking prompts notify you to add food when the air fryer is preheated and to turn food during cooking. What's more, we built in a dehydrate function, so you can easily create tasty, dried snacks from the comfort of your home. The spacious 4-quart basket is great for cooking for family and friends. And the basket and crisper tray are nonstick and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. With its sleek stainless steel and compact design, the Gourmia air fryer will look great in any kitchen. We've also included an exclusive recipe book, so you can create a large variety of dishes that fit your healthy lifestyle, making the Gourmia GAF476 the perfect kitchen companion.